I got the FMS Yak-130 coming out on a little bit windy day. Got somebody at the control line over there behind me, so we'll have to take a modified flight pattern this morning. Wind blowing it over. Let's come over here and use this little sundog, I think. I gotta fix that timer. Alright, here we go. This is on a Hobby Star 4200 6L. No flaps. Max throttle, back pressure. Up, up, and away. Gear's coming up. Come up over that sun. Back off the throttle a little. Flying along just about 65%, 70% throttle. And she feels very stable in the turns even. Let's try a down low pass. Up over the sun. High speed down low. Or semi-low, I should say. 1 minute. Still learning this jet, so a little bit hesitant to get too jiggy with it. "30 seconds. One more pass to check the gear deployment. They're down. One tick mark of flaps. This does like a little bit of flaps on the landing. If you don't get the speed off on this one, she definitely will bounce. Ooh, there's a big gust of wind. One bounce, but we'll take it still. See if we can taxi it back down here. That bounce was on me. It's coming in and looked like it was sinking just a little too fast. And gave it just a smidge of elevator, thinking I could flare it off, but still had a little too much speed, so she tried to fly again. Alright, flaps up. Good plane. Thanks for watching.